This store sells this product, which is a Christmas-related item, and it was able to make over $38,000 in 1 week last week, while last month it made $56,000, even though it hasn't even been a full month since it started selling this product. All of this was achieved through content creation on TikTok. The seller created an account on TikTok and posts daily videos of this product, which is a trendy, profitable item. They also put the store link in the bio, so once customers click on it, they are directed to this simple product page. They sell the product for about $42, while the product's cost is less than $15, allowing them to achieve a large profit margin and make over 880 orders within just 2 weeks. Today, step by step, I will teach you how to create a professional online store on Shopify, start an e-commerce, find a supplier with low prices for products, and begin creating content. Like the video and subscribe to the channel as I post profitable products daily. Step 1 is to create an account on Shopify. I'll leave the registration link in the video description, and through it you will get a free trial for 3 days, and your first 3 months on Shopify will only cost $1 per month. This is a very good offer, which you will find through the link in the video description. You will enter your email and start creating an account. Select the country where you will start selling, then enter your email and password and create your account. This completes step 1, which is setting up the online store. Next, we move to step 2, which is to find a supplier to source products for the store and find products at affordable prices. The supplier in this case is Zendrop. First, Zendrop has a free plan, and second, it offers millions of products and many profitable items, providing you with auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. You'll find the link to the Zendrop app in the video description. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Start by installing the app on the store. After installing the app, go to Apps and select Zendrop. Here you will find many products on Zendrop and you'll find many categories to start with. Here we'll start by typing the product name to search for it. This is the product that the seller is selling. You'll find different prices depending on the quality and manufacturing of the product and different shipping prices, so search carefully before selecting any product. We'll open this product, where we will find the product details, cost, and variations such as the colors and sizes available. Here you'll also find the shipping cost, which varies by country. You can select any country in this section to see the total cost. After that, you'll add the profit margin here along with the average shipping time. To add the product to the store, click on Add to My Products, and then you can return and add other products the same way. After that, click on My Products where you'll find the product here. Click on Review and Publish, where you can edit everything about the product before publishing it to the store, such as the product name, description, variations, and selling price. This seller, for instance, sells it for $42. I could sell it for the same price, more or less depending on my pricing strategy. For example, I might sell it for $45, so I'll change the selling price here and I'll see the net profit for each unit sold. Then select the photos you'd like to publish on the store. You'll find many product images on Amazon and AliExpress, which you can use on the store. After that, click on Publish to My Store and then Confirm, and now the product is published on the store. Now we can go to Shopify, click on Products, and the product will be here. You can open the product and edit everything through this interface. To see what the product looks like on the store, click Preview, which shows the product page on the store. However, it's not professional at all. To create a more professional product page, I've left a full tutorial in the video description on how to build a professional online store on Shopify. But let me quickly place an order to see if, when I order this product now, it will be sent to Zendrop and if I can ship it to the customer. After I place the order, I will see it in the Orders section on Shopify, where I can view all the product details, customer information, and their data. The customer should have paid for the product through the payment gateway you linked via the Shopify settings, whether it's PayPal, Stripe, or any Shopify payment gateway. If we go to Zendrop and refresh, we will find the order has reached Zendrop. Here, all product and cost details will be shown. We can now ship the product to the customer and pay the product cost by clicking Fulfill Order. The product cost will be shown here, but initially, we need to add balance by clicking here using a credit card or PayPal to start shipping the order to the customer. Zendrop's advantage is that its free plan allows you to fulfill more than 25 orders. If you want unlimited orders, click Upgrade and subscribe to one of the paid plans, each of which offers unlimited orders and auto-fulfillment. This way, you won't need to do it manually. By activating the auto-fulfillment option here, It will be done automatically as long as the balance here is more than the product cost. Finally, the last and most important step is marketing. You have two options, either through paid ads or by creating free content on TikTok and Instagram. Create an account, add the store link in the bio, and start creating daily content for your dropshipping products. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel as I post products daily and teach you how to start in dropshipping. Goodbye.